Hello, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Homoeopathy Super Sessions by Dr. Jargos. Today, I'll be telling you an important remedy for angina pectoris. So, the remedy name is amyl nitrosum. Amyl nitrosum acts directly on the coronary arteries. It dilates them and it increases the oxygen carrying capacity, and hence the pain of angina will be relieved. The patient has the symptom of anxiety, palpitations, awareness of one's own heartbeat, and breaking down in cold sweat. And the patient always wants the open air. So this is an important remedy, can be used as a substitute for sublingual sorbitrate, which is taken by the patient. So amyl nitrosum has to be given in the liquid form, that is a 30th potency, by the method of inhalation. So it's always handy for a patient of IHD to have this remedy, amyl nitrosum, in a small little vial, amyl nitrosum 30 in his pocket, whenever he gets this anginal pain or effort or otherwise also. He has to smell it by the inhalation method. So by the inhalation method, you have to keep the vial below one nostril and block one other nostril. Take a deep inspiration, hold it for some time, and from the other nostril, you have to exhale. So 3 times do it from one nostril, 3 times do it from the other nostril. So in this way, the pain of angina is also relieved to a great extent. I have used this in many cases, so please try it out. Give me your comments in the comment section. Thank you.